You want 5 tips on how to convert your Google Ads better? Well, I'm going to be telling you all the tips and tricks that I have to convert Google Ads at a high level. I personally made over $1 million in real estate commission in my career from Google Ads, so I know it works. And most importantly, when I started my career as a real estate agent where I had no leads, no sphere of influence, because I moved to a city that I had no network and was brand new starting my career, I used Google Ads where every $1,000 that I invested into Google Ads, I made $24,000 in commission. So I know it works. You just have to apply the systems that I've been sharing here on my YouTube channel. But if you're someone that wants to dive deeper into the Mortlock method of using Google Ads and you'd like for me personally to take over your Google Ads to start having them convert for you, go in the description, fill out the Google Ads form, and if you match the criteria and someone we want to partner with, we'll reach out to you. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here, giving you some more value-based content on how to actually convert Google Ads at a high level. So let's get into my 5 tips that you can do in order to convert your leads from Google Ads to actual clients and sales. Tip number 1, and this one is the easiest one that you can do. When you call your leads, double tap them. So if they don't answer on the first call, you call them back again. It's absolutely mind-blowing how many more people will pick up the second time you call, thinking that it's an important call. And you will have maybe 1 in 100 people that actually gets pissed at you for calling them twice. This will increase your pickup rate. It actually will be mind-blowing how much this will increase your pickup rate and how many people actually call you back from double tapping them. Tip number 2 is have an actual solid follow-up plan. We like to run a 10-day campaign where you're calling these people 6 times, sending them 6 emails, and sending around 3 text messages or when they sign up as an ad. But the secret to this is not giving up. So many people will call them once or twice when really after that 10 days, we put them on an unresponsive campaign where we'll call them still for the next 2 months, once a week with a text message. And I personally this year sold a $2.6 million property for someone that turned into an unresponsive lead but said, hey, with how persistent you are, I figured that you're going to actually work really hard for us. And they gave me their business and I ended up selling them a $2.6 million property. The third is going to be developing actual phone skills. So having scripts and being able to handle objections on the phone can be the difference between you being the authority and the real estate professional to them absolutely owning you and not knowing what to say. So if you're someone that's struggling to develop your phone skills and would love someone to role play with or learn the scripts that me and my team use to convert these Google Ads, make a comment down below saying scripting, and I'll personally invite you to the Apex group where you can join, be a part of role playing and see the exact scripting and get access to the scripting book that my agents and myself personally use to convert our Google Ads. The fourth thing is creating value-based content. So for all our Google Ads that sign up, is we have all our drip campaigns and action plans targeting towards our YouTube content. So I drip them out my constant YouTube content that's telling people the pros and cons of living here, the top 10 reasons why to move, the best areas to live, the worst areas to live, the reasons why I moved. If you're relocating from Alberta, the differences between buying property in BC to buying in Alberta. We drip them out value-based content, and then that way people can see your face, hear your voice, and that way they know, like, and trust you faster going through YouTube, and that's what's going to be the extra icing on the cake to increase your conversion. And tip number 5 is storytelling. When you follow up with these leads, you got to have some good stories to tell these people. And it's got to be primarily around what they're looking to do. So if it's someone that's downsizing, share a good story about how you know what it's like your grandparents downsizing and how frustrating it is and how long the process took and how difficult it is. Or if it's a first-time home buyer, have a story around guided for whatever the lead that signs up on the website and you continue to follow up. Have stories in line with what they're looking to do. It's amazing and how much trust and authority you can build with having good storytelling as the focal point of your sales strategy. We're not trying to convince people and trick them into buying a home. It's the biggest purchase that they make. What's going to get them to believe in you and want to use you is telling good stories that solves their needs. So if you're someone that wants to adopt the Mortlock method for their Google Ads and would like my team to set up and run and show you exactly what you need to do in order to convert Google Ads at a high level, go in the description below, fill out the Google Ad form. If you match the criteria, we'll reach out to you. I personally believe that Google Ads is the best way for real estate agents to build their business, no matter if you're starting out or been in a couple of years or an experienced agent. It is like pouring gasoline on a fire and the amount of potential commission that you can make from doing Google Ads. So if you haven't just quite been able to figure out, reach out to me and I can help you out and show you the way.